What? Oh my goodness. What in the world?
Hey guys, welcome to Show Me the Hogs. It's a rainy day out here at Bush Wildlife, but it's not going to stop me from doing some fishing. Today's goal is to meet my daily limit on crappie. In Missouri, that's 30, and I'm going to be doing it via fly rod. So let's get to fishing.
Little Hand says it's time to rock and roll.
There's no better time to fish for any species than right before a storm rolls in, but I don't have that luxury. I've also seen some people say that crappie will shut off in the middle of a storm, but I don't know if I agree. I think I can crush these crappie in the middle of a storm. But where am I going to find the crappie? My working theory is that crappie are skittish during a storm, and they will look for heavy cover like brush piles and chunk rock and shallow water, and there is plenty of that at Bush Wildlife, so that's what I'll be targeting. Let's see if it works.
Oh, there is a fish. Redback rib. Oh, bluegill. Wrong species, but there ain't no skunk today. Ready? There's a fish. Ooh, it's a bass. Oh no, I'm gonna have to go down there and get him. Wouldn't you figure? All right. Ain't that big, but on that 4-weight rod, these kind of fish are a ton of fun. All right, little guy, about 13 inches or so. See you, buddy.
Wouldn't you figure, 3 fish so far, but no crappie.
Oh, there's another bass. Or no, that's a crappie. That's just a fat one. Finally, first crappie. Don't come off, you little paper mouth. All right. Cool. First one. Hopefully of one of 30. Oh yeah. Beautiful crappie. There's a fish. Another crappie. Nearly as big as the last one. Oh, this might be another bass. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh my. What? Oh my goodness. What in the world? This is going to be difficult keeping it out of that moss. Oh, wow. No, that's a crappie. No. I know my fish species. Oh my goodness. Don't lose me. Oh, took about half the lake moss with me. Totally worth it. Wow. That might be. Wow. What? That might be my biggest bass on the fly. Wow, what an amazing fish. Oh, what an amazing fish. Wow. I gotta get a picture of this one.
Man, that was so incredibly awesome!
Do not underestimate the power of these little jigs. Man, they will catch you some big fish.
Made the trek around Lake 30. Limited success with the crappie, but overall it was a great success with that big bass. So it's off to Lake 36.
Change of plans.
Adding a thingamabobber to the jig, suspending it in the water column to see if that doesn't catch more fish.
There's a fish. Feels like a good one. Crappie. Add it to the collection. Awesome. I think we may have found ourselves a bed. Good stuff. Got another one. They're right down there. Oh man, this is what I came out here for. All right.
It's working!
Man, I don't even have to strip it in and they're just smacking it. Oh man, little bitty guy. Man, we gotta find some bigger fish here. Yes, got him. Man, another little guy. We may have to move. Nothing but little dinks here. This feels like a better fish. Much better. Almost like a bass. But no, it's just a chunky crappie. All right. Now we're into some better fish right here.
Looks like my theory is proving correct. The crappie must find this sunken tree, you can see the tip of it right there, as a great security blanket, and they can't back off this jig being suspended in the water. So let's keep throwing it at it.
Oh, this feels like a good fish. Better. That's better. Got it. Yeah. Not quite as big. No. Another little one. Sure.
Really nice.
Stuck him that time. Well, he's not even putting up a fight. Wimp. Wimp. Oh, stay on, stay on, stay on. right next to that down tree. That's where the magic's happening right there. Oh, he's running over there now. All right. Number 10 or 11. I'm losing track.
Caught about a third of my limit so far, but there's so many small fish here. I'm moving on to see if I can't find some bigger ones.
I was just spot checking. Caught this little guy. Got one hooked up. Cast right over those reeds. I think it's a little one though. Yep. It's all right. It's a fish. Oh yes. Another one. All right. All right. Another little one. Man, where are the big fish? Got him that time. Another little guy. Man, there's just little ones over here. Man, these guys are tiny.
So I'm at 15 fish, halfway there. I'm catching nothing but little ones right now, so I'm gonna leave Lake 36 and head over to, I guess, Lake 6, scope that one out and see if I can't find some bigger crappie.
Good luck with that.
After Lake 36, the rain stopped, the sun came out, and the bite completely shut off. The rest of the morning, the only fish I caught were 2 small crappie and a plump green sunfish. So where did all the crappie go? My guess is the weather change triggered the fish to scatter and head for deeper water. Unfortunately, I couldn't test this theory due to the lack of time and a boat. What do you guys think? Did the fish congregate around shallow cover because of the rain? And did they head for deeper water when the sun came out? Let us know in the comments.
I can see clearly now, the rain is gone.
Well guys, I had an awesome day out here. Caught 17 crappie. It wasn't the daily limit of 30 I was going for, but 17 fish isn't anything to sneeze at. I also caught the bass and the bluegill, so that's always welcome. Well guys, that's going to be it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, regardless if you liked it or not. Let us know what you thought of it in the comments. If you haven't already, subscribe and click the bell so you're notified when we post more content. We're also on Instagram at Show Me The Hogs, so check us out there. This has been Chris with Show Me The Hogs, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.